Hello my dear student, today I am going to talk about very important chapter, expansion. This is my part 2 video. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.1. In this exercise some special type of questions you can see in this my video, how to solve easily and how to solve correctly. So you can see in my part 2 video, because already part 1 video we are uploaded, but today is my second video, that means part 2 video of this chapter. So in this exercise very important questions I am going to explaining, and how to apply the formula, and which for mathematics, that means in which problem and which type of formula you have to apply. So you have to clear your concept. So I request you, first of all, part 1 video of this chapter, please see part 1 video, then you can understand how to apply the application, that means formula, which type of formula you have to apply in this chapter. It is very important point. Okay, so exercise 3.1, chapter name is expansion, exercise 3.1. So our first questions, 2x plus 7y, 2x plus 7y whole square. So you have to find out the expand, that means you have to solve these questions. Okay, so in this problem, which formula you have to apply, it is very important point. So I know, and I think you have started in previous classes, a plus b whole square formula. That means a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here is plus, so here will be plus. If your minus, if your here is minus, then here will be plus minus, but all sign will be same. So I am in part 1 video already I am explained. So first I am requesting you, if you have some doubt and if you not able to understand, so please see part 1 video of this chapter. So I think you can easily clear your concept, I think. So in this problem you have to apply this formula, because if you compare 2x plus 7y whole square, here is if you take this is a and this is b, if you compare with this formula, so you can easily understand. So you have to apply this formula. Okay my dear student, so I am requesting you, if you can't understand, please comment in comment section, and when you again next video, that time I am explain your problem. Okay, and explain you how to clear your concept. So I am trying to do. So this problem you can easily solve by this application. So it will be 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 7y plus 7y whole square, because y said here is only a and here is 2x. So how to take? If you take this 2x, you have to say you have to think this is a and this is b. So you have to apply. If you apply this formula in this problem, so it will be, here is a square, here is a, that's why here is a square. So here is 2x. So you have to write the 2x whole square. If you some students write 2x square, this is wrong, because you have to write 2x whole square. Okay, so that means if you not write bracket, so your problem will be wrong. Okay, 2x is you have to square of 2x whole square. Okay, so first of all we are applying this formula, then you get that 4x square. If you multiply 2 to the 4, 4 7 is 28, and x and y is there, so here will be xy. 7y whole square, so it will be if you square 7, then you get the 49, and y square will be same. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the first questions of this exercise, so it is very easy to solve. Okay, so anybody can, that means those who are read in class 9, so all students, if you try, then you can easily solve these questions. Again, question number 3, this is the fractional in the expression in the form of fraction. Okay, so this type of questions when you solve, that time again you have to apply this formula, because there is minus, so you have to apply the minus formula. That means a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So formula both is most of the same, but here is plus, here will be plus, but here is minus and minus, but all is same. Okay, so you can easily apply this formula in this questions, because these questions satisfy this form. Okay, so I am requesting you again, you have to apply this formula in these questions. So here is, what is a? In the place of a, here is 1 by 2x, and the place of b, here is 3 by 2y. Okay, so if you apply this formula, so you can easily solve these questions. Okay, so here is 1 by 2x, it will be square whole square, and minus 2 into a into b, 2 into a into b. So I will read, I think you can see easily. Here is 2 into a into b. So 1 by 2x in the place of a. So you have to write this in the place of a, and we have to write this in the place of b. Plus in the, here is b 3 by 2y, so here will be 3 by 2y whole square, because in the place of b, here is also b. In the application, here is b, so here is b square. So if you apply this formula, so here will be 3 by 2y whole square. Okay, if you square 2 square, that means 4, 1 square means 1, x square will be, you have to write in here x square. Again, numerator and denominator will be, you can cancel, because in numerator is 2 and denominator is also 2 is there, so you can easily cancel. So number only 3 by 2 is there, that means only 3 by 2 is remaining here. 3 by 2 you have to write in here, and if you multiply x and y, then will be xy, plus 3 by 2 y whole square. So here will be 9 by 4. If you square 3, then 9, and if you square 2, then you get 4, and y square will be here. So this is the answer of question number question 2 of 3. This is the answer. So we have done this answer already. So question number 11. Okay, question number 11 is the another type of questions. So in this form, when you solve this type of questions, this type of questions, so you can easily solve, because I think you are some phase to solve this type of questions. So fractional, when you express it in fractional form, so that time same formula. Here is also a plus b whole square, here is a minus b whole square. That means you can apply both formula, a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Here is only b, but here is only 1 by a. So this is the form, this is the fractional form. In the place of b, fraction form is there, but here is only b. But you have to apply the same formula. That means in the place of a, and in the place of b, 1 by b. So we are applying the formula square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Again you have to apply this formula, square minus 2 into a into b plus 1 by b square plus b whole square. B square, that means if you square a by a 1 by a whole square, then you get 1 by a square. Okay, so already one line is I am skipped already. So after that, if you calculate, then you get a square. If you cancel a, then get 2. Here is 1 by a square, here is a square. If you cancel a, that means you get 2, and here is 1 by a square. So plus 2 and minus 2 you can cancel, and after the remaining is there a square, 1 by a square, and 1 by a square. So a square is repeat, that means you have to add because like term. So a square, that means 2a square. 1 by a square, 1 by a square, that means new denominator is same. So that time if you multiply, if you add only numerator, then you can easily add this type of fraction. Okay, so here will be 2a square. Okay, so this is our answer, question number 11. Question number 11(1), this is the answer. So my dear student, this is also same type of questions, but here is fraction and here is normal form. Question number 10. So same process, you have to apply a plus b whole square formula, and here is a minus b whole square formula. Okay, then if you calculate, so you can easily your answer, you can solve that problem. So here will be a square plus 2ab plus b square, and here is plus a minus b whole square. You have to apply a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here is plus a 2ab, here is minus 2ab. You can cancel. Okay, so how many times how many a square here? So here is a square is 2 times is there, that means if you add a square, then you get 2a square, and here is b square plus b square, that means 2b square. If you take common 2 from both terms, then you get a square plus b square. This is the answer. I think in your answer sheet, maybe this type of answer is maybe present in there, maybe this also. Both answer is correct, but your answer sheet, I don't know what is answer is there. So you can you can, if you stop in here, so it will be your answer will be correct also, and you can get the number. So number 13 number questions, same formula. Okay, so this is the another type formula. Here is you have, I think in part 1 video I'm explain in this type of questions which type of formula you have to apply. So here is, if you take a and b, here is also both is same, but sign is not same. Here is plus and here is minus. So this type of situation, this type of problem, you have to apply the formula a square minus b square formula. That means a square a plus a minus b square, that means a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so this is the formula. So I think a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b is present. So you have to write in this form. That means here is a plus b, a minus b. So that it will be 7p square minus 9q whole square. If you square, then you get 49p square minus 9q whole square, that means 81q square. So this is the answer of this question. So this question is very easy, but you have to remember the formula, then you can easily solve these questions. Okay, so my dear student, this is the my part 2 video of this chapter. So if you some doubt, if you not clear your concept, so please see the part 1 video of this chapter. So I think you can easily your concept. So my second next questions 12(2). So this is that here is also a plus b minus a. If you compare this is this expression, so we can easily compare to a plus b whole square formula. That means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, or if you compare this form, this expression, I think you can compare this expression to a minus b whole square. So here will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. So my dear student, in this questions you have to apply both formula. Okay, then you can solve this question. Clear? So here is, if you take 4x is in the place of a and 3y is the place of b, and here is 4x in the place of a and here is 3y is the place of b. So my dear student, a plus b whole square and here is a minus b whole square. You have to apply this formula. So I am already calculate already. So 4x whole square, that means the place of a, that means 4x whole square plus 2 into 4x 2ab plus b square. Here is minus. So my dear student, I am requesting you, when you minus, no, and after that, so that time you have to write the bracket. Okay, and you have to calculate this inside the bracket. So if you do, then your math will be correct. Otherwise, if you without bracket, if you do, so I think you are doing maybe you can wrong. I think your maybe calculation will be wrong. So I am requesting you, here is minus, so you have to write the bracket. Okay, 4x whole square minus 2 into 4x into 3y, because in the place of a is 4x, so 2ab plus b square. Okay, so after that, here is 48xy. We have to write same to same, and after that, if you calculate, then it will be 16x square 24xy plus 9y square. Okay, I am really sorry, here is not x, it will be y. Okay, so 9y square minus same things. That means you have to calculate 16x square minus 24xy plus 9y square, and you have to write the bracket. Okay, without bracket, if you write this without bracket, so your math will be 100% wrong, because sign will be, you have to change the sign, no, because minus is there. So when you remove the bracket, so that time sign will be changed. So same to same you have to write in here, and here is also same to same, only sign will be changed. Minus minus plus, and minus plus minus. Okay, so when same to same you have to write in here. After that, if you cancel 16x square minus 16x square, my plus 9y square minus 9y square, you have to cancel, and only remaining is there 24xy, and here is minus 48xy. If you add 24xy and 24xy, then you get 48xy, and here is minus 40xy. You have to write in here. There is both term is same, but sign is not same, so you have to cancel. That means you get 0. If you subtract same terms, no, that time your answer will be 0. So question number 12 is done. Okay, next question 14. So in this type of question, which formula you have to apply? So my dear student, so in this type of questions, you have to make the form of a plus b and to a minus b. Okay, because a plus b into a minus b formula is square minus b square. So here is 2x minus y and 2x minus y. Here is plus 3. Here is minus 3. So you have to make this question in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we have to take 2x minus y as a. That means we have to write the bracket, and you have to use second bracket. 2x minus y plus 3. This is the a, and this is b. Okay, this is a plus b, a plus b, a minus b. So you can apply this formula. So what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So in the place of a, here is 2x minus y. So if you apply this formula, so this question answer will be 2x minus y whole square minus 3 square. If you apply this, which formula you have to apply? A minus b whole square formula you have to apply in here. So 4x, it will be 2x whole square minus 2 into a into b, because a means 2x, b means y. So 2 into 2x into y plus y square minus 3 square. If you calculate, then it will be 2x whole square, that means 4x square. If you multiply 2 to the 4, that means 4xy plus y square minus 9. So this is our answer. This is our answer. Okay. So my dear student, so question number 14 we have done, and next questions are in this course, in this exercise. So wait, question number 17. Okay, question number 17 in this exercise, 17.2. So this is the another form of questions. So it is a very easy questions, and you can apply if you know the formula. So in this question, which formula you have to apply, so then you can easily solve these questions. First of all, here we know that aq plus bq, that means a plus b square minus ab plus b square. Okay, why choose this formula? Because in this formula, if you compare these questions, this formula, then you can easily understand both is same, but this is the fractional form and this is the simple form. So I think, but form is same. So this situation, you have to apply this formula, because this question is already satisfy this form. Okay, so that means a plus b square minus ab, but here is 1, so somebody can say that, sir, here is 1, so how to compare this formula? So my dear student, I am telling you, if you have to write the questions, and you can, if you write the given expression is here already present, and next line will be a plus, that means x plus 1 by x, and here will be x square minus x into 1 by x. Okay, 1 by x plus 1 by x square bracket, that means a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, already in the formula is present. Okay, so that time if you a plus b a square minus ab plus b square, that means aq plus bq. If you present in this form, then you can write directly aq plus bq. So here is a, that means a means x and b means 1 by x. So here we have to write x cube plus 1 by x cube. So why write plus sign? Because here is plus. If you plus here, that will be minus. If you minus, and it will be plus. This is the formula of aq minus bq formula. Okay, but here is plus and here is minus, so it is the formula of aq plus bq formula. Okay, so aq plus bq formula here you have to. Question number 19. Question number 19, the question is already present in the big form, but it's not so very difficult. You can easily solve these questions. Okay, so first of all, you have to remember this formula, then you can apply then you can solve these questions. So we have to know this formula. That means we know that a plus b plus c square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc. Okay, so this form satisfy these questions. That means you can compare both expression. If you compare form, that means this form compared to this form. So I think you can easily understand. So this formula you have to apply in these questions. Okay, so here is a, here is 2x, here is b, here is 3y, here is c, here is 4z, here is b a square, here is 2x. We have to write in here. So I am telling you this form, you can compare this form. So you have to do answer. That means you have to calculate the answer, calculate the question. Then that means you have to the given expression in the making, you have to first of all you have to write the questions, and after that you have to expression write in the form of this formula. Okay, then after that you have to apply this formula. So a plus b plus c here is, so that means if you have to write in here a square plus b square plus c square. Here is 2x, that means a b c. A plus b plus c, here is a square plus b square plus c square. 2x, and here is also 2x, that means a plus b plus c. You have to choose, this is a, that means you have to think that 2x means a, 3y means b, and 4z means c. So if you have to write in here, okay, 2a into b minus b into c minus c into a. Okay, so you can apply this formula. That means this type of form when satisfied, so that time you can write this is, okay, that means aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc, because this is the formula of this. Okay, so if you write the answer, apply this form, then you have to write, you can write aq plus bq plus cq minus 3a into b into c. Okay, so if you calculate 8x cube, if you cube 3, then you get 27, that means 27y cube, plus if you do 4z cube, that means 64z cube, minus if you multiply 3, 2, 3 and 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, and 24 3 ja 72. And if you multiply x, y, z, all variable is not like term, this both is not like term, that means you have to write only here x, y, z only. So question number 19 we have done. Okay, so question number 19 is finished. Next questions in this exercise, very important questions, 23. Okay, so question number 23, there is only numerical value is there, but you have to apply this formula: 101 whole square, 1003 whole square, and 10.2 whole square. So I think, my dear students, here is not variable, only number is there, but you have to apply this formula. Without formula, if you calculate, so here your answer will be wrong. According to these questions, your math answer will be wrong. So my dear student, I am requesting you normal multiplication you should not you have to apply. You have to apply this formula. So in this formula, how to solve these questions is the very important point. So which question is very hard? Question number 10.2, I think maybe some student difficult face to solve this question. So question number 3 I am going to solve. Number 3. Okay, so here is 10.2 whole square. So you have to apply this formula. Here is a plus b. So my dear students, this value you have to break. This value you have to break. So that means if you write this value in this form, so you can write 10 plus 0.2. Okay, 10 plus 0.2 whole square. So here is a and here is b. Okay, so you can apply the formula: 10 square plus 2 into a means 10 into b means 0.2 plus 0.2 whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. That means it will be, if you square 10, then you get 100. If you multiply here, so if you remove decimal, then you get you have to write 10 in the denominator, place of denominator. So 10 cancel, only 2 is there, and both 2 and 2 is remaining. So if you multiply 2 to the 4 plus here is 0.04. If you multiply 0.02 into 0.2, then you get 0.04. If you add, then you get 104.04. Okay, so question number 23 we have done. Okay, so you can solve any question, but all process will be same. And question number 24, both number is problem is same, but here is plus formula and here is plus formula and here is minus formula. So you have to make this number in the you have to break this number and you have to write in this form. That means you can write here 100 minus 1 whole square, and it will be 1000 minus 3 whole square. Okay, and you can write this value 10 minus 0.2 whole square. Okay, so you have to write the number in the form of a minus b whole square formula. Okay, this is the process. So you can easily solve this problem by using this application. Okay, so already we have done one question. We have done this. Here is plus formula and here is minus formula, but process is all same. So if you write in here this question, so 1000 whole square will be minus 2 into 1000 into 3 plus 3 square. So if you calculate, then it will be after 1 here will be 6 times 0, and if you multiply then you get 6000, and here is 9. So you have to add and subtract, then you get the result. So this is very easy. Question number 24 you can easily solve. So question number 27. Question number 27 is also very important question in this chapter and in this exercise also. So here is if a plus b plus 2c is equal to 0, prove that this. Okay, so this type of course when you solve, so that time you have to write the given expression, and after that you have to prove this from this expression by using this expression. Okay, so first of all we have to write this expression, and after that you have to transpose plus 2c from left to right. Okay, then you will get a plus b is equal to minus 2c, and it will be a plus b whole cube is equal to minus both side we are cubic cubic actually. We have to cube on both sides, that means a plus b whole cube and minus 2c whole cube. Both sides we are cube on both sides. Why we have to cube? Because here is a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube. So my dear students, so power is 3 and power is also both, here is 3. So if you have to bring the power of 3, because you have to prove this expression, no? So first of all you have to cube on both sides, then you get you have to if you calculate, and I know a plus b whole cube formula, that means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to minus 8c cube. Okay, so after that if you calculate a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, that means here is already there minus 2c, so it will be minus 2c is equal to minus 8c cube. Then after that you have to write a cube plus b cube plus minus 3 to just 6 6abc is equal to minus 8c cube. Okay, if you transpose minus 8c cube from right to left, it will be a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube minus 6. Here is minus 6abc, so you have to transpose minus 6abc from left to right, and you have to transpose minus 8c cube from right to left. Okay, so it will be 6abc. So here we have to already we are proved. Okay, so this is our answer. We have done question number 27. So question number 28 is also very easy. So my dear students, same formula. So this is the formula. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. if you have to remember it, AQ plus BQ plus CQ equal to 0, so that time you can easily write, AQ plus BQ plus CQ is equal to 3ABC. That means in the place of AQ plus BQ plus CQ you can write 3ABC. So my dear student, we have to calculate, we have to find out the value of this expression, but our this is given in here, A plus B plus C equal to 0. So we have to write, since A plus B plus C is equal to 0, and this expression you have to calculate. If you LCM ABC, CA and AB, then LCM will be ABC. You have to divide it, you have to divide ABC by BC, then you get A. So if you divided ABC by BC cancel, then you A. So you have to multiply A with A square. You have to multiply A with A square, that means AQ. Similar process, if you divided this by this, then you get B, and you have to multiply B square with B, then means BQ. AQ plus BQ plus CQ by ABC. So my dear, so I am requesting, I am telling you few minutes ago, this is the formula when A plus B plus C is equal to 0. So that time you can write, in the place of AQ plus BQ plus CQ equal to 3ABC. So here is already 3ABC you have to write. So 3ABC by ABC. Okay, 3ABC by ABC. Okay, ABC cancel, here is only 3. Okay, so 3 is the answer of this question. So we have done question number 28. Okay, so this is the last question, question number 30. Okay, so what is questions of 30? So question number 30, without actually calculating the cube, find the value of this. Without actually calculating the cube, find the value of this. So if your cube is there, no, so if you multiply 27 3 times, so your answer will be wrong, because already mention is there, without actually calculating. So we have to apply the formula, AQ plus BQ plus CQ, you have to apply the formula. So first of all, I think this type of question, I think some students is very difficult, difficult to solve this type of questions. So I am requesting you, please see this process so you can easily solve these questions. So first of all, we have to write A 27, that means you have to take A means 27, you have to write, B means minus 17 and C means minus 10. Okay, so A, B, C you have to add. A plus B plus C, that means A means 27, B means minus 17, C means minus 10. So we are added A plus B plus C, so its answer will be 0. So and already here before page you have to see, here is already mentioned, when A plus B plus C 0 is equal to 0, that time you can write AQ plus BQ plus CQ equal to 3ABC. Okay, so here is A plus B plus C is 0. Okay, so you can apply this formula, AQ plus BQ plus CQ is equal to 3ABC. So in the place of A, that means 27 whole cube, in the place of B minus 17 whole cube, place of C minus 10 whole cube. So here will be, what is A? A means 27, B means minus 17 and C means minus 10. So you have to multiply 3 into 27, then you get 81. If you multiply 17 and 10, then you get 170. And you have, if you multiply 81 and 170, then you get 13770. This is our answer. So my dear student, this is my part 2 video. If you gain from this video and if you gain from this channel, so I am requesting you, please keep watch my channel. So I think you can easily understand and you can easily solve any exercise page by page. Page by page you can get page by page solving questions and answer you can get from my channel. So please keep watch and support me. Then if you some problem, so please write in comment section, and when next video, so I try to solve your problem. So bye bye, take care.